Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you 4 German coins. They're very late on in the 19th century and early 20th century coins. They come from the German Empire and German states eras of the coins. There's my pointy thing gone. That's up here. Just 1 second. Come on, you awkward thing. We have here on this German 1 mark coin from 1875. It was issued during the reign of William I. This coin was produced between 1871 and 1888. It is 0.9 silver. The obverse has a mint mark on it. It also shows the German imperial eagle with the crown on top of it. So you got a German imperial eagle, the crown is there. It's 0.9 silver. On the reverse we have the valuation of 1 mark with an ornate wreath, the country and the date at the bottom of the coin, here at the bottom. The mintage for this coin, which has a mint mark of Berlin, is 30,340,307. So a beautiful coin. One mark coin. The next one is a half mark, which I believe is that one. Yes, it is that one there. This one again is from the reign of William II. This was a 1908 coin. Again, it is 0.9 silver. The coin was issued between 1905 and 1919. It has the letter A, which I think might well be the mint mark of Berlin. It is the imperial eagle, which is crowned on the obverse side here. On the other side is the date on this one as well. I think the date is at the bottom on this side amongst the ornate garniture. On the reverse we have the half mark inside an ornate wreath. It has mint marked A for Berlin. The mintage of this coin is 5,018,434. These 4 coins I did actually pick up on the internet, on eBay, for a very reasonable price. I think it was less than £10. Again, we have an imperial eagle. This is the 50 Pfennig, again a half a mark. It is from 1875. It is during the reign of William I. The issue date for this coin, it only had a 3-year run, 1875, 76 and 77. It's 0.9 silver. You have the imperial letters with, start again, the crowned imperial eagle on this side with a lettering BB. He has a mint mark of J for Hamburg. On the reverse we have the 50 Pfennig, or half a mark, as is sometimes known also. You have the central mark with the date. The mintage for this 1875 coin is 2,411,000. Finally, this one is slightly more worn. Again, this is the imperial eagle on this side from Germany. The coin is dated 1875. It is 5 Pfennig and it is copper nickel. The issuing date for this coin is 1874 to 1889. It has the J mint mark for Hamburg. So this is the only one of the four that isn't silver. And on the reverse we have the denomination and two lines going around it, plus the value, plus, yeah. The mintage is 9,780,610. The one thing I didn't mention on this obverse side, which I just skipped over when I was reading, it does have a CC die. I think it's a die mark, a bit like the BB on the previous coin was a could also be like a die cast number or letter. Oh, come on, get in there. I'll put that one in a second, I think. Let's just get up and go out a little bit. Sorry, out a little bit. Here are the four coins in their protected thing. I just haven't got the last coin in. These coins I'm very glad to have in my collection. I've been looking for early German Empire and German state coins for a while to keep my collection going. I'm very happy with these coins. Tell me down below, what do you think? 3 of them are silver, 0.9 silver. The other one is copper nickel. The low value one is copper nickel. These coins didn't cost me an awful lot. They were sort of around about £10 on eBay. To me, they're worth a lot more than that, simply because of what they are and what they represent. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins like I did with this lot, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you'll enjoy in the next week. I am looking to up my subscriber level. I have been for the majority of this year, and I'm looking to increase that subscriber level. So if you believe I deserve it, could you give me the thumbs up? Could you also please give me so give me a thumbs up, give me the subscribe if you believe I deserve it, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye for now. Ta-ra.